Cloud outsourcing means entrusting specific functions and processes to a cloud service provider. A cloud outsourcing provider offers managed cloud services for businesses. By choosing cloud outsourcing, businesses receive all the benefits of cloud computing and a dedicated team to manage their cloud services. The provider can design elastic architectures, migrate existing infrastructure and legacy apps to the cloud, and ensure peak efficiency and maintenance. They create custom solutions using different cloud computing service models based on your business technology needs. Cloud computing allows users to access software, services, and resources over the internet, eliminating the need for large in-house installations. As long as there's a stable internet connection, users can access cloud services from various devices anytime, enabling remote access and collaboration on shared data or projects across multiple locations. Cloud computing service models are categorized in three main types: software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. For software as a service, businesses subscribe to fully functional software from a cloud provider, accessed via the internet, with the provider handling upkeep and maintenance. For infrastructure as a service, businesses rent necessary infrastructure like servers and data storage from a cloud provider via a subscription, with the provider managing hardware and software updates. While for a platform as a service, businesses rent an application development environment and tools from a cloud provider, accessible over the internet. Cloud service provides many benefits. It saves money on infrastructure, gives you lots of storage space, keeps your sensitive data safe, and ensures you follow the rules. Plus, it's very flexible, letting your business grow and change easily. Cloud outsourcing is a powerful strategy for businesses to streamline operations, cut costs, and stay competitive. Visit OutsourceAccelerator.com now to learn more.